Lately at work, I've been very dissatisfied with the type of keyboard I've been using. I don't know, it just looks unappealing. The feel and quality is not the best. So I made a switch. The brand Old Paltoy, if I said that correctly, the F98 Pro 95 key hot swappable mechanical keyboard with transparent keycaps. This is cutting edge technology at its finest. Trust me, you are not going to regret this purchase. It has a display screen and the knob design so you can use different types of fonts for the LEDs. And did I say that the sound of the keyboard when you're typing on each key is very therapeutic and relaxing? I mean, just listen to the sounds of the keys. Purchase it today, you won't regret it.